Here's a question for you. Is it ever morally ethical to stone cold card hustle a drunk? Well, I'm here to tell you, yes, it is. You're at the bar, you've been having drinks, you're having a great time, but there's that one buddy who won't listen. Especially when you say, hey man, maybe you should take an Uber home or let me drive you. He's going to argue with you until the end of time. However, if he happens to be a degenerate gambler, here's where you can actually use a card hustle to do the moral and ethical thing. So you're about ready to settle the tab. You say, look, if you're fine to drive, I'll make a bet with you. If you win the bet, I'll pay the whole tab. If not, you give me your keys. Either let me drive you home or send you home in an Uber. You can tell him you're even going to demonstrate what the bet is before he even takes it. And you whip out 6 cards, 3 red, 3 black. You place the red cards in a pile on the left. You place the black cards in a pile on the right. So you tell him all he has to do is place the cards in order, black, red, black, red, black, red, without looking at him, and he wins the bet, just like you see here. He'll accept the bet. Now you show him the cards one more time. You place the red cards on the left, you place the black cards on the right, and when he goes to put the cards on top of each other, black, red, black, red, black, red, he will always have the cards in the exact same order. All the blacks will be together, all the reds will be together. You get his keys, and guess what? You might have just saved this guy's life, or at least saved him a DUI. Let's find out how this hustle works. All you have to do when you spread the cards out, you're going to place your left second finger on the innermost red card and your right thumb on the innermost black card. And you hold them both as you pull the cards apart. Now you just got to make sure as you're pulling them apart that you are facing them downward so no one will notice that you've actually made a switch. Watch again. See how clean that is? You just got to practice that move, and then you'll be left with 1 black card on top of 2 reds and 1 red card on the bottom of 2 blacks. You'll make sure the mark starts on the right-hand side to ensure the cards will always be in the same order. Now here's a quick pro tip. You can separate these cards while holding them all together in your 2 hands, or if you work at it, you can actually bring the cards together and subtly let them barely pass over each other and make the switch as you are passing the cards over each other and facing them downward, just like you see in this demonstration. Let me show you that again. As the cards pass over each other, you make the switch and you place them on the table. As you can see, the switch has been made. You get his keys, he gets home safely, and has better days ahead. Until next time, stay sharp. Stay card sharp.